Dividing using the array model. So we're going to do long division off 3 or 4 or 5 digit numbers divided by 2 digit numbers. So here we have 973 divided by 10. So we're going to use this array model. 10 is our divisor, and that's the number that we are going to be using to do our division. We'll start with 973, and we want to find a rounded number that is close to 973 without going over. That is a multiple of 10. So 10 times 90 would be 900, and that gets us close to 973. So 10, this is a 10 by 90 array, and that's worth 900. So we took 900 away from that, and we have 73 left over. Now, what other multiple of 10 gets us close to 73 without going over? That would be 7. So this amount here times 10 is 70. So now we have taken away 70, and what's remaining is 3. And we know 10 times something cannot make 3. So what we have come to for our quotient is 90 was used and 7 was used. So that's 90 plus 7, which is 97, and what's left over is our remainder 3. So 973 divided by 10 is 97, remainder 3. Let's try another one. Here we have 1272 divided by 12. So 12 is our divisor, and we're going to think of how many 12s would make close to 1272. Well, that would probably be 100. 12 times 100 is 1200. So now we can take away 1200 from 1272, and we have left over 72. So how many 12s will get us 72? I know that 5 times 12 is 60. 5 times 12 is 60. So I can take away 60 from that, and that gives me 12 remaining. Oh, there's another 12. 12 times 1 makes 12. So now I can subtract the 12, and I have no remainder left. So what I have here is 100, 5, and 1. So 100 plus 5 plus 1 is 106. So 1272 divided by 12 is 106. Next, I'm going to do this last one, 1798 divided by 16. 16 is our multiple you'll be using. So I want to think, how many 16s make close to 1798? Well, if I did 100 of those, that would be 16 times 100, which is 1600. And I'll subtract that from 1798, and I have 198 left over. And then 16 times 10 is 160. So let's try 160, because I know that's not greater than 198. So that's 160. And now I have 38 left over. Now I'm wondering how many 16s make 38 or close to it. Well, that would probably be 2. 16 times 2 is 32. So this is 32. Take away from the 38. Gives me a 6 remainder. So what has been used is 100, 10, and 2. So 100 plus 10 plus 2 is 112, with 6 remaining. So 1798 divided by 16 is 112, remainder 6. And that is how we divide long division using an array model.